Yan o, umaga-umaga mga nagmamarites, kaalmusal lang. Mga marites.
On the way to Theft Floating Market.
O ang aki mo, amo na maguli. Hindi nila siya sa Bangkok. O.
Uy, ilunin do. Ano naman yan?
Ato tayo ko dyan, interesado.
Tingnan mo, itong nanon.
Gusto mong agawan ta ka.
Ay, okay man lang. Nakadako naman ako options. Sa Pilipinas may ano, may...
Yung 5-11.
Balik, mabatang...
Hoy, nag-mouthwash ako. Nag-toothbrush pa.
Narisig mo kahit na.
Ini, alat lang. Hindi ka na...
Ay kaunlad ng ano, kabayanan. Para gobernador.
Gobernador
CEO kuno.
Yes.
CCCCO pa.
Yes.
Wow.
Ikaw mag-iin ako dyan.
Oh, mga mare, pili na kayo dyan. Ang palintang yan. Baka may gusto kayo, piliin lang. How do you wait first? Ayun, ang dami mo. Maraming floating market dito sa Bangkok. Siguro itong pinakamalaking floating market.
Now?
Actually, itong floating market na napunta ko na malaki.
Yeah, I think this one is the biggest.
Money.
Welcome to the floating market. Bangkok. Dito yata ang Buddha.
Tapos if you want, you can eat here now. No? Coconut man. Tapos ano si Tony. Bakal ko ano. Iba na talaga ngayon ang mundo. Ngayon makikita mo kung saan may traffic. Kahit dito sa tubig may traffic. Akala ko sa kalsada lang. Kita mo yan, no? Sika ng mga bangka dahil traffic dito. Kita mo yung mga market yan sa gilid ng na-release. Magsisalisan yan mamaya pag dumana yan. This is the train in the middle of the market. Tapos may oras talaga siya na dumadaan siya. Tapos umi-stop din sa kabilang paning. So ayan, ibinabalik na nila ang mga paninda nila sa gilid ng train kasi dumana yung train.
ถูกต้องด้วยค่ะขบวนรถเที่ยวต่อไปจะออกจากสถานีในเวลา 15:30 นาทีค่ะขบวน
Same lang. Ayan na. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. Tara.
Miss Universe in the family.
It means
I don't know. Papa. Okay.
Diyos ko na buang na ron. Ibang klaseng epekto ng bangko.
Tama, no?
We are now in Suvarnabhumi International Airport. Me, my nephew, and my goddaughter flying to Manila. My daughter flying back to Hong Kong. And after Manila, I'm flying back to Hong Kong.
And paano yan? Makakuha ka na ng Harbat yan.
My daughter now is on, I think they are boarding now. So, mamaya pa kami.
Ito mga pandok. Diyos ko, ang laki ng pandok na ano.
Del.
Ayan. At tapos lang sa immigration. Bakit? Wrong decision huli.
Wrong decision.
Yan.
Wrong decision yan. Pero
Nakapasok ko. Wow. Turista Dapat na nakaka-LL. Wrong decision. Iyan mo na to.
Bye.
If light vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life.
just landed at the Manila International Airport.
The ground temperature is recorded at 31.7 Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. May we remind you to check your around you that you might be given.
Thanks for watching.